Day 23, Helene recovery in the Green River Cove. Behind me is the remnants of my home. Kind of difficult to look at. Today, I'm hopeful for some progress. My property is largely graded at this point. And hopeful to get a storage shed begun. I didn't recover very much. I think that's going to be big enough to hold what I got. At least I have more high ground than I used to. This is significantly higher than it used to be. For my homies, you can see over there behind me, that's where the concrete pad's always been. And there's a nice slope down to the river. I finally got GoFundMe fixed. Who knew? They weren't much help, but I figured out a way to make it work. So if that's your preferred way to maybe give me a little love toward recovery, I'd really appreciate it. It's a little more of my junk still here. Old Glory's flying right along with the North Carolina state flag. Those survived in my house. They got really dirty, but I don't have the heart to burn it. It's got a lot of history now, I feel. And that is corner of my property. And H2O Dreams, my friend Chris Wing and his buddies that work for him, his employees, they're my friends too. They got a few things stashed in the corner of my property. It's all chill. We're all friends. We always try to keep an eye out for each other's stuff. I am going to try to build this to make it community-oriented. I've been notorious for hosting my friends or my pals camping out here, so you go pal the green and such. And I hope to continue that and make it even better. As my good old buddy Fred Ubel, a.k.a. FU, used to like to say, he would say this is the GRCMMCC, which stood for the Green River Cove Motorcycle Mansion Camping Complex. Well, that's a bit of a stretch. My house wasn't very big, and well, what's going to replace it's going to be smaller, but the camping's going to be so much better. So I do intend to give back to my community and foster some more outdoor adventures for my friends, their kids, things like that. So the dream continues, but I got to put together the pieces, and the main thing I need at this point is some capital to get the infrastructure I need to make this happen. That way, human waste and other things will not get in the river. I want to make sure this stuff is done correctly, get the well back up, and some rudimentary power. So, peace out. Love you.